ADP versus Papaya Global, two giants of global payroll. But which one truly delivers in 2025? On the left, ADP, the trusted leader powering Fortune 500 payroll for decades. On the right, Papaya Global, the modern challenger automating payroll in 160-plus countries. Let's cut through the sales talk and see how they compare where it matters. We'll score them across 7 key categories, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, the result might surprise you. So before we get deep, let's lay out what really matters here. We're going to put ADP and Papaya Global head-to-head across some pretty critical stuff. Think pricing and plans, global payroll capabilities, features, user experience and mobile, customer support, user ratings and reputation, plus, compliance and security. Let's get a quick mental map of where the battles are going to happen. All right, first up, pricing and plans. ADP's kind of classic here. They're all about custom quotes. You want flexibility? You got it. Oh, and you get a juicy free trial for 4 months. Pretty rare, honestly. But here's the catch. Prices aren't up front. Everything's a bit mysterious, you know? It's like, could be $100, could be $500. Who knows? Meanwhile, Papaya Global's just like, hey, here's what it costs per employee. Here's the full breakdown. No guessing games. Transparent, global, super clear. Downside, you'll pay up fast if you're a small team, and no free trial. So between the two, Papaya Global gets the win here, just for making everything less cryptic. Next, global payroll capabilities. ADP's no lightweight. They can pay people in 140-plus countries, decent compliance coverage, and hey, that's huge. But the experience varies. It's more complex for multi-country setups. Papaya Global, buckle up. They go widescreen, 160-plus countries, seamless payroll, employer of record, and global contractor support. You literally don't have to change your local setup. That's wild. Sure, they're younger, but their global game is strong. Yep, Papaya nabs this category. Sorry, ADP. Now, features. Okay, ADP comes out swinging. They've got the full HR toolbox. Payroll, recruiting, benefits, analytics, reporting, integrations, the works. Their analytics are crazy deep. If you want the Swiss Army knife, this is it. Papaya Global is right behind, though. They've got expense reimbursing, super fast go-live, automated stuff all over, EOR and compliance. But certain things like e-sign I-9s and check deliveries, not included. So if you want the broadest spread, ADP wins here, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool you may not know. Papaya Global actually lets you hire in more than 160 countries without ever setting up local branches. But ADP? They're powering payroll for more Fortune 500 big shots than anyone else. So, maybe think about who you want to roll with. Shifting to user experience and mobile. ADP's mobile apps? They're like the rock stars of payroll apps. 4.7 stars on iOS, 4.4 on Android. Employees love the self-service options. It's smooth, but if you're tiny, all these features might feel overwhelming. Papaya Global's got a modern, clean interface. But here's the thing. Their mobile apps are basically, well, not rated. You're living in your browser. Not bad, but ADP just smashes it here. Another one for ADP. Customer support and service. Let's talk. ADP is legendary here. 24/7 live support. A dedicated rep if you're a big business. Downside? Sometimes it's slow if you call at the wrong time. Papaya Global has support by phone, email, live chat. Pretty solid, but no round-the-clock action. And the team's smaller. Hey, if you're the kind to call at midnight, ADP's your best bet. They win this round. User ratings and reputation. ADP's got the numbers. Tons of clients, tons of history. But check out those reviews. Trustpilot's at 1.4 out of 5, which is yikes. Papaya Global? Smaller pool, but their fans are way happier. 2.6 rating, better reviews, especially for transparency. Still a newer face, but for rep alone, Papaya Global pulls ahead this time. Finally, compliance and security. Honestly, both are solid. ADP is basically the gold standard. GDPR, SOC, trusted by massive enterprises. Papaya Global? Same thing. Mounted with compliance, keeps your payroll data locked up. No sketchy third-party handoffs. In this one, it's a total tie. You're covered either way. Okay, let's zoom out and look at our results in a chart. We've got ADP and Papaya Global mapped on every category. The strengths, the gaps. That way, you can see at a glance who's really on top, category by category. So, you know what? If you're a big, established business And especially if you're sitting in the US or you need deep-rooted HR features, ADP's your powerhouse. But if you're growing fast, hiring all over the globe, and you just want flexible, super transparent payroll that can handle complex worker types, Papaya Global definitely shines. Neither one's perfect, but both have their superfans.
Thinking about switching your global payroll setup? Save this guide to help you out when you're ready to scale up. It could save you some headaches down the line.